Just a brief video demo of the JVC compact VHS GR AX7 camcorder that I have posted on my eBay store. For me, I would consider this a parts lot because I cannot get the camcorder to function correctly. I'll show you what I mean in a second here. So included bag, 2 cassette tapes. One of the cassette tapes is inside the unit. The JVC instruction manual, battery that does not hold charge very well, so that's why I have it connected the way I do. The battery charger itself, which has this DC out port, which this acts as a battery in the actual camcorder itself. So got the camcorder set to camera here, right? I'll give you what it is I am seeing through that lens there. So it's like the screen is not coming up correctly. It went to sleep on me. Let me turn it back on. So again, as you can see, the screen is like jumping in there. And if we hit play a cassette, and then we'll hit the play button, you see that you get static. That's because the cassette itself is blank. Overall, not in bad shape at all. The bag does have some writing on it. Again, the battery is not holding a charge at all very well. This lot is being sold as is on my eBay store. The video is intended to protect you as the buyer and to protect me as the seller. Show you a quick that the eject button does work. Let it hit stop. And there's that other Sony VHS-C cassette tape. So this is a lot that I have posted on my eBay store that is being sold as is. I would call it a parts lot. Thanks for watching as always.